Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to day 17 of Baby Got Scraps. My personal prompt today is paper rolling. And as you know, for the month of January, I have made my product focus, words are hard, product focus 6x6 paper pads. And I have pared them down a lot, you guys. So we are going to do paper rolling today. And we're going to use all of these little bitty pads for our paper scraps because you can do that. This is my scrap room kit. It is one of the double shots from November. Trying to use them up. So we have one 12 by 12. Let's see, wait a minute. All right, we have a few bits and bobs left. Paper scrap. 2 sheets of sticker. So, well, I cannot speak, you guys. Oh, calm yourself. All right, we have 2 sheets of cardstock and one. Oh, I really love to map that. Anyway. All right, so we're going to use that. Because I want to map that, you guys. I do. How sad is that? Like, that's so beautiful. So we're going to use this piece of cardstock. We're going to stick all this fun-loving stuff back in here. And we will grab these when needed. So these are the photos I'm going to be doing today. I am actually, okay, up to date on my photos other than 2022. I have stuff to do from 2022 and obviously 2023. But when I was cleaning my scrap room, I found just like 10, 12 photos that are from when Sam, who is now 22, was a baby. So that's my dad, that's my son. That is like 22, 21 years ago. Look at him. Him was sweeping. All right. Anyway, so we're going to do that. Why did I throw those in there? We're going to do a fun paper roll. I'm going to flip through these, find a whole bunch of fun folly colors. We can just kind of go with anything at this point, you guys, because I have no other pattern papers that I need to match to. So we don't even have to do fall. We can just come in and that's like the only one that's not really going to go, but we'll see. We'll use those. What do we have in here? This is that little foxy one. We can get that in there. The foxes are not going to work. Okay, still have those chillaxing around. Let's see. I don't know if the hearts will work, but we'll try it. Honestly, you guys, this one is not going for me. And this one's not really going with the color scheme that I picked out, so that one might go away as well. Just letting you know. So I'm going to kind of filter through here. That is too similar. But we can pull the blue. I just think that this one is the one that's throwing it off. Hold on. That piece. All right, let's see here. We're going to need a lot of paper, but these two I just don't feel like they go. Definitely pull in that one. And then this one. So I'm just going to go and keep filtering through here and just seeing what I can pull. And then I'm going to roll the paper. This is not going to be the color scheme I'm looking for. Let's see. I'd like to pull in an orange. I'm trying to stay away from pink now. I got a lot of pink out there. This one might be interesting. That one just kind of giving us something to, so we're going to make a chevron pattern. We've got some more used up, so I'm going to go ahead and roll those, and if I need to pull more, I will. I'm going to trim them all down, and we'll figure out what I'm going to map my photos in. Oh, you know what? We can actually pull in. Is that the one? Yeah. Pull in some of this brown. That is how old it is, you guys, that it's just falling apart. They're just falling apart. But they're getting smaller and smaller. Okay, so we're going to mount our photos in this. So I'm going to trim that all down. I'm going to get it rolled and get the chevron on here, and I'll be right back. So I kind of just went for it. Here's my paper roll. I did cut these into 3x3, and then I rolled them diagonally and just glued them. Then I took a sticker sheet and used it all up to get all of that on there. Some chipboard pieces just from my random bin of stuff that needs to be used. Now I've got this little bin here. I figure we could get maybe some of those. Get one of these little guys on here. I have a ton of them. And somewhere, that's not going to work. There's black on there, so we're just going to do this little twine to go through there. Really trying to work on my paper rolling. It's not up to snuff, you know what I'm saying, guys? But we do the best that we can do. I just never really like the paper rolling layouts I make. Let's just trim this down. Can't see with my glasses on. I'm going to tuck this right here, and I am actually going let's see. Almost wrote 2022. That was not right. Alright, then we've got some of these cute little guys. Grab these 3 gray ones. Is there anything else? So let's put the little chickie on there, and we throw some stuff around. We can get the little dino on there. I want that cow. I just gotta be able to get the cow. Oh, no, we'll do the little piggy. Maybe we should just do the cow. Wait a minute. Let's do... Let's put the dino away. So... just trim those little pieces off. So if you notice, I am taking it and I'm not putting my finger all the way on. I'm just doing it there so that I can hold it. That actually slicing my fingerprint off. I'm not a criminal. No. All right. Then let's just come in with some foam. And the foam will stick up more. I think these are like the most uber super dimensional foam bits in the world. All right. So we'll get some of these on here. I think we'll just kind of pop them in between the little rollies. That one go there. We're going to put this guy right over here. And then we'll get Mr. Moo Cow. Oh wow, cows. When Sam was able to talk, we live in the country. My mom was like, "Look, Sam, cows." And he had seen so many in his life, apparently, at the young age of like 3. He just looked at her and went, "Oh wow, cows." And so 20 years later, 2 decades later, every time we pass cows, someone says, "Oh wow, cows." Sam doesn't really find it amusing, but we do. All right, and then we can get this one. We'll put this one right here. And that's going to do it for today's layouts. I do hope you guys are having fun playing along with Baby Got Scraps and my daily prompts. I am doing it, as you know, I kind of went around my craft room and was like looking through all the things on the perimeter that I hardly ever go to, and getting some of those used out. So doing the bins the way I have them now is also helping me as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.